All right, so for this Nomad Sculpt video, we are gonna do a fork, but from memory. I know, fancy, right? Or I mean, real challenge. So fork. All right, so let's see. Let's do the head of the fork. So top. Let's see, gizmo. We're gonna create it out of this itself. That we're not wasting too much time. All right. Let's spread this out. That's a good fork size. All right. All right, so let's do some movement. No, actually, let's drag. So we're gonna drag. The intensity, the radius is gonna be lower. So this is where the head is. This is where the fork parts are gonna be. Right. Okay, that's good. All right. There we got kind of like our fork body. This needs to be a little wider, the fork head. So we are gonna go, yeah. We could also easily do a spoon real fast, but a fork's a little more complicated, so we'll go with that. We're going with that. All right. Cool. All right. We are going to do some cuts. Split. Rectangle. Let's see. Oh, trim. Okay. Oh. Oh, we split by accident. Okay. We're trimming this. Right. Let's see if we can get it. Nope. Nope. That's so much fun. Guess we can't do that. Okay. We only want three cuts. So let's get rid of symmetry. Actually, no, symmetry stays. Just once, and then get rid of symmetry. That's good. Okay, then we can smooth things out. Right. So there's one other thing we need to do, unfortunately, is go to left. Our fork is too flat. It's got to be like a little, it's got to be angled. So left, move. So radius, way bigger. There we are. So now that is a better fork. We can decrease the radius, go to our left, and yeah, there we are. We have our nice fork. And if we want to make it look nicer, fix the geometry, go to voxel. Ooh, detail too high, might require a lot of memory. Yeah. That's unfortunate. It's good enough. Let's see. Subdivide. Okay. Let's see. Now we got our fork. So what can we do with this fork? Let's give it a paint job. White. Force painted all. Let's do with matte cap. What's a good color for a fork? It should be white, but that's good. Oh, and let's get rid of the wire. So now it looks a little nicer. So we got this nice green fork. All right, congrats. You've learned how to make a fork. You can, of course, make it nicer, much nicer than this, but hopefully you learned, how to use the Nomad sculpting tools to make a fork and up your forking game. I know, terrible, terrible, terrible. All right, have a good day.